Hey folks, Todd here. Today we're going to show you how to install the RKR Step System from RealTruck on this 2024 GMC Canyon. Now this is the same installation for the Chevy Silverado. The tools we'll be using for this installation are a 1/4-inch drive ratchet with a 12mm shallow well socket and a small extension, as well as a flathead screwdriver. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start off underneath the truck on the driver's side. Now this is the front of the vehicle up here, working back to the rear. This is our rocker panel. Now let me point out 4 different mounting locations that are factory mounting locations that we're going to be attaching to. There's one right here where we got 2 holes, 2 small holes right here. Coming back, we've got another set of 2 holes. Our 3rd location is here, and 4th is right back here. Now, I'm going to show you what we're going to do on one of those mounting locations. We're going to repeat the same process on every single one of those spots. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a flathead screwdriver and just pop off this little rubber plug that's next to the smaller hole. And then our kit, we're going to have some U-nuts or some clip nuts. What that's going to do is go through the large hole and put this over top of the small hole. So you'll have threads behind that small hole. So it's going to slide in, you'll hear it click into place. All right, let's do the same with the top one, right up here. There we go, clicked in place. Now we got threads behind both of those smaller holes. We'll repeat the same process on the other 3 bracket locations. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to raise up our RKR rail, and we're going to line up our brackets. The holes in the brackets will line right up to the holes in the rocker panel. Then we'll use the supplied hardware to go through and put that in place. I like to line up all the hardware first, then come back down and tighten it all with a 12mm. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and tighten everything down. Now I do want to call out that you're going to need to use a 1/4-inch drive ratchet with a 12mm short socket, because that's what's going to fit up into this area. They do have a cutout on the bracket that allows you to slide that in and get some turns on the ratchet. We're going to go ahead and put all of them in now, and then the top ones will use a small extension. Okay, now to mount the steps, what we're going to do is locate the 2 bars that have the holes underneath the door. So what we're going to do is going to raise that up, use the supplied serrated flange bolts and serrated flange nuts. And then we're going to tighten that down with 18mm on both sides. All right, now go ahead and repeat the same process on the opposite side. Well, it's just that simple, and that concludes the installation.